What's going on YouTube? I'm back at again with another video, and today's video is I'm going to get a rear diffuser for my car, and I've also just put a stage 2 map on the car as well, so you guys get to see that as well. See how the car's moving. It's moving good, but in these rabbits it's a bit sketchy, man. I need some Michelin pilots waterfalls on the back because the tires are just shit. But yeah, we're getting some more mods for the car. Keep tuned. Make sure you subscribe as well. And yeah, man, I'll see you when I'm there. Know the vibes. That's my new saying. This thing's rough. Like, think about it, we're on the M-way, going the speed limit, and it's still going quick. You know what I mean? Or no below the speed limit. That's man. Let's review, fam. Just chatting a bit of shit. About to go again. I'm lifting off. I'm lifting off. Anyways, I'll see you guys when I get there. That's enough driving now, man's cruising. And yeah, if you want a POV to see how the car's moving, comment down below, innit? Which I'm probably gonna do one anyway when I have time. I may do one today. And yeah, man, it's now stage 2. And where I thought it was missing at the top end, it's there now, innit? So yeah, chatting bare shit. See you guys in a bit, man. Alright guys, I've now posted a location of the person that sells them on Facebook. He sells diffusers and all these carbon bits. So let's just see what he's got. And yeah, see what I'm gonna take. But yeah, we're here now. I must say down these areas got some nice roads, man. Compared to Bristol. There you go, I now have the stuff, the new diffuser. About to unbox it and fit it. Looks pretty sick on there. So right now guys, I'm just unboxing the diffuser, checking it out, see if there's any scratches or anything. At this moment in time, I'm so excited, I couldn't wait to get it on. Right now I've just taken the clip out and also the bolt as well, using my plastic remover tool that I got from Max Speed and Rods. Alright guys, I just swapped the reflectors over from the other diffuser to the new one, and I'm just about to put it on. And then now I realise these tips, I need to take them off to put the new ones on. Just hammered the old tips off. Let's put on the new tips. I'm going to put the diffuser on first, so I'm going to hammer that tip off as well. And yeah, it's going to look sick. Just clipped it on and just know it looks sick. Let's get the other tip out. Just get that one. just to let you guys know, I did tighten the tips after I turned the camera off as well, so I didn't leave them loose. Right guys, sorry about the bad filming. At the time my girl was sleeping, so she couldn't film anything for me. And the diffuser's on, the car's dirty. Sorry about that. And it looks sick, man. That's what it's looking like, guys. Yes, then completely transformed the rear end. As you can see, I changed the exhaust tips to some 4-inch tips. And I've also changed the diffuser. All I need now is just a spoiler and the back end is finished, but like from this angle it looks a lot better. Definitely looks a lot better, but that bit just looks so clean and the rest of the car looks dirty. But anyway guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe and support the things I always say. We've got a lot more videos and a lot more content coming. I'll probably get a spoiler next. I was going to get some new wheels as well. And yeah man. Guys, this is how the rear end's looking now that the car has been cleaned. There you go. It's looking pretty nice.